Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can quickly make up a selection of your line art or your sketch in Photoshop. So I have here Misato from Neon Genesis Evangelion, and I already made a line art or sketch of her. And you do this because you wanted to color your drawing finally, or do a shading. But to make things quick, instead of using Lasso tool, because Lasso tool will take time. Lasso tool is this one here. As you can see, it might take time just to make a selection here, making sure you cover everything. But to make things quick, what you use is Magic Wand. Magic Wand is here. The shortcut is W. So you just click the blank page of your drawing. However, you're not going to end up doing that, because by clicking Magic Wand to your drawing, it automatically selects the whole blank page of your layer, the line art here or your sketch. So what you're going to do is to make an inclusive only of what your drawing is. You have to select inverse. So the shortcut for that is Control-Shift-I, and that automatically selects just what your drawing is. You don't have to worry about anti-alias, it just smoothens the edges. Contiguous is the program itself connect the dots of selecting only the same or the similar brush you use, or the color of the brush you use. And tolerance, since we don't have a lot of values to our color here, it's just black and gray for the pencil or the line art of your brush. It just automatically selects everything, so you don't need to put any numbers here. I think the default here is 32, so 10, 20, 30, 32 is okay. But you're not gonna end up with that, since you have space which you're going to use for background, especially this side of her, which is a blank page. So you're gonna use a Lasso tool for that, and by not selecting or deselecting, you have to click or hit Alt, press and hold that, and use your pen to deselect that portion, so you can use that for background. Now if you got any minor erasures that the program selects itself, for example some light brush strokes here, you also press Alt and hold the Alt, and then press and hold your pen towards that part, so you can deselect that portion that you don't want to involve in your drawing. There you go. And then you can put a layer if you want to do a shading or coloring. It's up to you. I hope you learned something from me. So that's just the easy way of selecting a drawing instead of using just the Lasso tool for your drawing. I hope you learned something from me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.